Hey guys, did y'all hear that knocking? That was the grandkid at the door over there, and well, I can't let them know we're in here because I got their basketball goal hidden here. So hey, I tell him you'd have to come back another time. So anyway, let's get back to doing what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a cover for that bandsaw. This is the old Total Shop bandsaw that I cut and added 4 inches in it right here to where I could get a big old resaw on this side over here. So we used to could resaw 5.5 inches. Now we 9.5 inches. So yeah, that's gonna work out pretty darn good, guys. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull this off, get it out of the way. We're going to figure out how to make the cover for this thing, and I think I got it figured out. So y'all follow along my thought process is a Spike's thought process, because, well, my thought process can get pretty dang dangerous sometimes. So let me show you what I'm going to do here. Y'all see this? This is the cover that goes on there. I can put it on down here and line up the bolts and get these 2 bolts lined up, okay? And then I need all this to move up here, right? So I need to go 4 inches up. So I'm just going to cut it, same place I cut the other one, raise it up 4 inches and put it back together, okay? And it's going to have this big opening right here, right? So I had some of these that I got with my Shopsmith. They're covers for belts, and once I raise that up 4 inches, I'm thinking of making me a cover for that because it's going to be here. About the best I did. I did have 3 of those, now I got 1. No, I got it covered. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to cut this thing down just like we did the other. Put it on here, and then after we put it on, we're going to make a cover to cover it up. So, and we may make one to go over the other side too. So we'll see how it works. Hang on with me, guys. Let's go. Okay. What we're going to do is we're just going to take a porta band, as they call them, and we're just going to chop that sucker just right up. Now, we're going to come up 5 1/8 inches from the curve right there like I did on that side. Okay, now we got that marked. See if we can get a straight line across there, something that looks good. So it'll match up what I did the other one. Okay, now let's do it this way. Okay, I think that'll hold. Glasses. Okay. Got it. Now, we got that thing cut. Let's go over and put half of it on there so we can get it off the ground. Okay, y'all ready? Put it on here like this. You put the nuts on there and there, don't lock that together. Then we can start on the upper half. That side. We need to get the top on it. where my adjustment is. I'm going to cut it right here and give me that little bump, and I can use that to make this like this. You know, I cut that one on that other bandsaw over there, and it was like slow, took some time. And I said, you know, there got to be a better way to do that. And I know I got a better way, and yeah, well, I do. So watch. There we go. Now push this back out the way. Keep this over here. Line up on my line. Man said like butter. That old radio alarm saw, that thing get everything done. It works. Okay. My idea is I'm gonna put this one right here on this side, like that. And I'm going to take this one and I'm going to put it over here on this side and do it like this. Yep. Okay folks, this is where you can see the adjustment. I cut a hole, I'm going to put a piece of cover over that. And over here is where you take the tension off your blade, right here in this adjustment, right there. I use these plastic covers and put those together to make a cover to keep that safer and cover up all that strut and stuff in there. So yep, we got all that done. And so we're going to start back here and go to work and cut some wood, guys. Okay, what we're going to try to do, we're going to try to cut off about that much. Get that in the rear pocket. We're going to take that through there and we're just going to take off, just try to take off that little edge right there, see what it'll do. So let's go. Darn thin, huh?